Let's do some I know it's gonna be really pretty. Thank you. Oh, I'm so glad you like it. It's just a powder I make. Yeah, I got on at like 9. Thank you. Put a little more liquid down and do some dish soap. We'll do the orange Ajax. Sorry if I'm missing anything in the chat. I'm not really paying attention. Well, I like these pink and orange dish soap bombs. Yeah, they look really good. And it smells really good. It smells like really fresh. All right, let's do some more powder. We'll do powder. There's powder on the bottom. right, here we go. I'm glad you like it, Nija. Thank you for picking this. This was fun to do. It is fun to do. We're still going. Mac and cheese powder, yeah. It smells, I'm smelling the juicy orange of the dish soap. That's what's really coming through. Alright, let's do some more of the pink and orange. It really did, you're right. I'm doing pink and yellow for my video, so this is like so on theme. It's a combo, but anybody can add. Thank you. Today's my 10K celebration day that we're doing, but I already hit the 12. I should have picked the date sooner. I feel weird for that. But today's the day we're all posting videos and whatnot. But thank you so much. All right, let's do some more powder. I want to do orange on top. Here you go. I am, and I love that you can tell that I'm doing that. My secret. I'm in the process of going to sell the powder, like sell bags of colored powder, but I'm working on that. Very dusty, yep. Ew, why don't you leave? All right, let's do some more. Do you eat McDonald's? Do you drive your car? Do you ride an airplane? Are you doing all that to make more toxin in the air? Because everything we do does that.